Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while. Out here doing the topwater thing at Alamo Lake in my new boat. See if we can catch a few. Already caught 5 before I decided to turn the camera on, so. Gotta keep her, baby. Gotta keep her. You don't need to wake up, but this sucker hit me the second I hit the water. There we go. Look at that. Nice little 1.5 pounder. Just thought I'd try the buzz. I don't even think I got 2 turns of the reel and that sucker nailed me. Gotcha. Looks like it's a better fish. Feels heavier than the others. Yeah, that's a better fish. Well, slightly better. 1 pound counts as better. And that last baby I caught. All right, well, first cast. Oh, shoot. Don't fall on my baby. Settle down. Ooh, found his way home all by himself. Oh, that was a good splash. You didn't feel it though. I waited too. Got that one. That's a fatter one. Still not super big, but we'll take it. Nice. You did that to yourself. I was about to throw you back. All right. The buzz is working today. Oh, got one. How funny. He didn't even let it come up to the top and he ate it. Ooh, it's a better fish. Oh, shoot. Don't you dare go back there. Funky. You got a lot of energy, that one. That little guy. Oh, another one. Got him.
He did something.
There's like 3 blow-ups there.
I like how ambitious he is.
He's as big as my lure.
Look how ambitious that is.
He's an ambitious little guy. Sheesh. Well, this one might win a tournament in like 5 years. Oh, didn't even have to help him. He just found his way right back in. That was funny. He was persistent, wasn't he?
Yeah.
I don't know if it was the same fish, but it seemed like it probably was. Oh, that was big. You see that?
No.
Got him. That's not the same fish. I don't think. The one that blew it up was a big fish. This one's not that big. Bigger than the last. Not by much. He's a monster, baby. Monster. Look at this guy. What's the matter?
You're in the truck. Grab the hat. Make sure.
Just get my my big straw hat that I brought. I'll keep you really shady. I got another one. Swing and miss. I saw him flash underwater. But I did have a bigger one on while you were asleep, but it got off. I caught a couple. I caught 2 fish that were like a pound and a half. And then I had one that was probably over 2 pounds that I didn't get a look at the fish, but gotcha. Not big, not big. Still schooling up, the same size fish, aren't they? I just caught this fish a second ago. I caught one just like this while you weren't looking. It's the 3rd little fish right in this spot. Ooh, he almost got me. It's because these little guys are so, like, I don't know what the word is, but they don't want to sit still. Look at that. You can practically eat them in one bite. What? He's all right. He's a gentle splash. The millionaires live in great homes, but the billionaires, they live in the very best homes. So I like to think of the big bass as the billionaires. And these are the 30K millionaire. You know what a 30K millionaire is? It's the guy who makes 30K, but he acts like he makes $1 million.
Drives a super fancy car.
Has a nice suit, fancy car, blah, blah, blah. That was a 30K millionaire right there. Just haven't got around to it. Oh, which one? Oh, he got off. He wasn't too big.
Is he a baby again?
Bigger than those last ones, though. The buzzbait's interesting because they don't, like, this thing's underwater a bit. This is the thing buzzing.
They tend to go for that.
They eat it, but they don't necessarily make a big old splash. It's just all of a sudden it gets heavy. I've even had them eat it when it's underwater like this. Why is this not coming up? Something happened. My line's not working right. All right, let's try this jerk bait. Right over here. Got one. Nice. That didn't take long, did it? 2 jerks. You got a hit. Can't tell how big it is, but I know he missed. Like, I didn't like get him as good as I like. Yeah, it's the biggest fish we caught out of here. I mean, out of this cove. I caught a bigger one than this. This is good though. Good start.
That'd be a fun for the bucket.
Yeah, we could keep this one.
What is that?
I'm angry. Ow. Find me. There he goes. those. Man, I've had a lot of those today.
I've avoided that in 2 days.
You know why? You know I've had so many of those. I don't want to get hooked. All right, let's try that again. So that was just a long cast and then a dink dink, and then he crushed it. Maybe you want to break up the corn chips and the queso?
Yeah.
That one. Oh, it pulled me down. Oh, this is my biggest fish.
Is that? Wow, good job, baby.
In this cove, anyway. It might be my biggest. I've got another one that might have been this big or bigger.
I think I maybe should adopt the hole here tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we'll use the net on Saturday. Yeah, he crushed
I'll give
it.
Trent a nice big warning. Just so you know, Darren's in the habit of dropping him overboard today. He's lost 7 that way.
I let him go though.
There's something in the water just to our left that's not moving as the water is. I'd be careful. Is that a rock or something sticking up? Or a tree? You see it? Straight down, baby.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
It's actually a little piece of wood floating.
Okay. So it looks like the water's rushing past it and it's not going
Let's
anywhere.
go deep in the cove.
It's getting hot.
Is it? Get up. It's not running right. That fish.
I only got 2 more hours to go and I survived.
You survived. You took a nice morning nap. You were comfy.
It's getting real hot.
Why don't you swim, baby?
Super sunny. Have you seen this water?
Yeah, it's
I've got more debris in it than I have hair on my body.
Won't even look.
Good going.
Let's check out that next stuff. What a little thing. Ow, you hooked me, you little mofo. Oh, there's such a shad. Okay, that concludes day 1 practice at Alamo. I caught a lot of topwater fish, and Elle caught a lot of Z's. I'm pretty sure I have more fun than her. It's hot. It's lunchtime. We're gonna get off the lake. You have to
Told me it'd be cold, and I dressed for cold, and I'm burning up.
I'll plan better tomorrow. We didn't know how hot it would be. So you're gonna have to put that umbrella away so we can go fast. No problem? All right.